back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can add these cinematic bars. If you haven't done that during the shooting process by adjusting the aspect ratio, you can for example use this clip, then set it under ratio to 16:9. And now we can add them in two ways. If you want to have a manual, you can go to video, mask and use the mirror. And here you can set the size by left clicking and dragging. Forget about the feather, you don't want that. You want to work with the size right here, you can also do that numerically. But if you want to use the specific aspect ratio for these cinematic bars, just go to Effects, Lens. You may have to open this drop down, and there you should find something called Cinematic. You have to download it. We have a little bit of a problem though, because in the beginning it is animated, so you can see how this moves in slowly. For the most part you don't want that. To get around it, we'll go to Media Library and use for example a white background like this. Make this a little bit longer, 8 seconds should definitely be enough. Then make the cinema effect longer, and here you can see it moves in, it animates in only over the white areas. Select it all, right click, create a compound clip. And now use the arrow keys until you are at exactly 8 seconds, which was the duration of our white background. You can use the arrow keys for that and watch this number, this turquoise number, so it's 800. This is where our footage starts. Use the split tool B to cut it, use A for the select tool, delete the white part, and now we have cinematic bars without an animation over our entire clip. So yet again, Effects, Video Effects, Lens, and there you should find it. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.